This is the cricket quiz. Uh, Cricket quiz was required because in the WhatsApp group, everybody, their mother-in-law, their stepbrother, their panwala, the dog, everybody comments all the time. But the true cricket quotient will be out today. Then we'll see who's talking cricket, who's sleeping cricket, who's eating cricket, and 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 the caveat here is that it's very simple quiz. So there is no need to be a PhD in cricket like Deep Drone is. It is no, and don't refer to the Google. Please tune in. There are prizes, and there is some uniqueness in the way this quiz is conducted. I would request the box is there. No, the box is required. No, that box is required. That box requires you. I told. The rules are very simple. Quiz master decision is final, and I am the self-appointed quiz master. So no matter which legal course you take, quiz master is final. Okay? Now you open that box. You open that. You open the cover and keep the chocolate. Oh, you kept it. Okay? Now guys, every right answer gets one chocolate. Every right answer, mind you, gets a chocolate. Again, there is a caveat. The chocolate will be hurled from here. You need to catch it. Okay, that's an important part of the quiz. And even if the chocolate falls elsewhere, it finally please reach it to the person who answered the quiz. Now the third. If someone answers 3 questions on the trot or whenever, that he or she becomes a QW, which means quiz whiz. He becomes a quiz whiz and he gets a cricket ball as a gift. And that ball has to be preserved so that Ravi Chawla can get Dhoni's signature when he comes in. We were, hey, please, guys, listen in. The rules are important. Red ball. We were trying to get Sunil Gavaskar's signature, but his flight from London did not arrive. Otherwise, my boy was going to the airport to get his signature, but his flight is arriving tomorrow. So, yeah. No, I have ball here. His only signature is not there. Okay. So, no, ball can be maybe soft lobbed to reach the person. Now the point is, sorry, please, guys, Deepak. Now, once you become a quiz whiz, QW, you are not participating in further questions until the house is not able to answer and it goes back to the QW. And assuming there are multiple QWs, finally to resolve who is QWK, quiz whiz kid, quiz queen, who is that? For that, all the QWs, so, hey Sanjay, all the QWs will play a super over. And further few questions, as it's an over, there'll be 6 questions to decide once and for all who is the club's highest CQ, cricket quotient. Okay? And that guy will get a very big prize today. And that guy or lady will get a good prize. Last rule. Yeah, you need to listen in. Last rule. Yeah, last rule. Because cricket gets to be dominated by men who otherwise don't have any other work than watching the television. We have few questions which appear on the screen with a pinkish color. That questions have to be answered only by the women in the house. If that question any man opens up, Sanjay, man opens up his. We don't want this. No, it has to be like that. Only few questions. If the man opens up his chocolate and all the goodies given so far will be null and void. Okay, now we start. Guys, tune in. Okay, guys, we're all set. Hey, where's the chocolate thing? Chocolate, you keep it here. Whenever you say yes, I'll have to throw it. Now, be prepared. Be prepared for the chocolates. Be prepared for the chocolates flying off. Repeat in Hindi. I don't know Hindi. Okay, now warm up. Warm up, guys. Here, no chocolate for this. Warm up, no chocolate. Who's the bowler?
That's in the air. Clears long on. So first six for Kohli.
So now the last rule was because of the warm up. Whosoever, don't raise the hand, yell it. Yell it. Whoever yells it first, our man is observing. Idhar aa jao. Yeah, whoever yells it first will get the chocolate. So it's no raising the hand. Whoever yells it first, again the judge's decision is final. Okay, please tune in. Please tune in. Once again the warm up. Okay, now the starts. 10. Yeah, tune in. You lose the opportunity. Tune in. Be serious, be serious, be serious. Show begins. Yes. Show begins, okay? I'm pressing. Okay, guys. Which are the three venues in US where the World Cup was played? I heard Falguni first. I heard Falguni first. Judge's decision. No. Navanish. Judge's decision is final. You need to be very first to be heard. So it was New York, Florida, and Houston, and Dallas, not Houston. Okay. So now you know the rule. If Deepak Bail is disturbing, then it's your loss. So be away from him. And there will be very good questions. It will test even the likes of Farad and Deep Drone who think they are alter ego to cricket. Even they will be tested. You're here now. Oh, sorry. This is this side. Sorry. Which side? Okay. Now the next question, please, guys. Who's this guy? Name. Name. Okay, now, since nobody got the name, Nikhil got the profession, what he was guy. Who? No, Nikhil pehle action diya. The name of the guy is Raghu. And Raghu is from a place called Kumta. And he is a polio. And he keeps throwing the ball for people to get that effect of a fast delivery. And from 2009, he's been part of Indian team. He is Raghu. He's the backbone of Indian batting against the spin. Yeah. Nikhil. Okay. Okay, now guys, concentrate. No, concentrate. This one, quick. Dilip, who said Dilip? You don't participate. Who said Dilip first? You have to say, who said Dilip? Dilip first. Casey. Please duck. Please watch. Hold it. Who's this? Vikram Rathod. Sachin, how do I throw? Someone help. Reach it to Sachin. Sachin. Sorry, Sohail. Sohail. And who's this new beautiful girl? Who's the beautiful girl? Anybody name? Okay, guys, stop. Her name is Rajalakshmi Arora. She's a brand media consultant for the Indian team for the longest time. She is the only person who can come in between the media and the players. The correct answer was given by Dr. Rajay as a brand. Okay. So sometimes if the name is not known, even if the profession, what he or she does, is fine. No, but you didn't tell that. Okay, now, this is for the ladies only. Only ladies. Only women. Falguni. Please, hey, tune in. What's that?
This next slide, this one.
This one. Who gave the trophy? That circle. Ravi. What's his name? ICC chairman, right? His name is Craig Barkley. So, wait. You'll get some tougher questions are coming. We need you. Now watch this. Whoever says, who am I describing in this? Born in Badohi, Uttar Pradesh. You can stop me, and if you have the answer, you can blurt it out anytime. Born in UP. Father, small hardware store owner. Jaiswal, who told that? Sunita. No, wo sab chodo. Though that picture is same. That picture is the same. Okay, now guys, focus. No, that picture is the same. Picture is the same. It is all the same. Born in Delhi. Kohli. Nikhil. Father criminal lawyer. Joined Delhi Cricket Academy at age 9. ODI debut against Sri Lanka in 2008. Okay, now next. Born in Uttarakhand. Pant. Pant, pant. ये बोल दिया, बोल दिया, बोल दिया, बोल दिया. This is taken. Taken, taken, taken. Father owned a school. Made his T20 debut against England, captained India at age of 24. Record captain in age of 24. If Chiku is Kohli, what is Pant? If Chiku is Kohli, what is Pant? What is his nickname? No? This is the first question which nobody is able to answer. Nikhil, your son has come? Correct. Hey, no Googling. Hey, no Googling, huh? No Googling. No Googling. Okay, if Kohli is Chiku, Pant is Spider-Man. Okay, now, if Pant is Spider-Man, Pant is what is... Arun. First. No. It's not only the quiz intelligence, it is the lung power also matters. And all the things matters. Okay. If Aksar is Bapu, what is Jaddu? Okay. Now, Doc, you've got 3? 2 only? 2. Anyone? 3. But you're collecting everybody. No. Collective nahi hai. Whoever gets 3, please announce. Whose wife is a sitting MLA? Guys, you have to observe, it's a pink shade reserved for women. Doctor was first. She was first. And finish the question. What did she do in the field that became talk of the town? Doc. Okay. Now this one, please. This is open for men also. Wait. Who is the... Pat Cummins. Okay. Right answer is Pat Cummins. He took 2 hat-tricks during the World Cup. Guys, so reduce the noise level. It'll be easy for you to interact. Who was man of the match in the finals? Kohli. Sohail. Kohli. Oh, pink. Sorry, it was Kohli. Yeah. Hey, Sohail. Hey, give it back. Take. No. Deepa said that. Who was the player of the tournament? Bumrah. Hence, focus, guys, focus. No, I am hearing. I'm hearing. What? Now this is a true question. I will find out what is common between Dinesh Karthik, Vivian Richards, Rahul Dravid and Jai Shah. Oh, this question, my expectation is Farhad should answer. I mean, you need to think hard. It's not an easy question. No, wow, what is common between all the four? You have to think. It is a very kind of a silly answer. Okay, not sorry. Okay, now that is why the quiz is important. The quiz is important. Indian wives nahi hai. Okay, now the answer. So this is the answer from. No. You're not in the right track. We can't keep laboring here. So one answer goes to the quiz master. This is the one. Okay. Now there is a practice in India cricket now that after the match there is a fielder of the match declared. All four went to Indian dressing room to give fielder of the match. Okay. These were the four, if you observed. Dinesh Karthik went, Jai Shah went. And so it has to be slightly now. Yeah, but judge's decision. What is common? This is again what is common between UV. Ravi got it. Ravi got it. The answer is Yuvraj Singh, Chris Gayle, Usain Bolt and Shahid Afridi were brand ambassadors for this World Cup. They were brand mascots for this World Cup. Ravi, well done. Tough question. For tough question, we'll give you 2 chocolates. Hat-trick ho gaya? You got 3? Okay, now at 3, at 3 we have a small celebration. That ball. Guys, we take a small break here. I think the noise level at the back is too much. All the chocolates can be returned. Now, this is the true cricket ball, and Ravi gets it, and he will get signed by Dhoni, and maybe we'll have another party in which we'll get. So, there are 3 questions. No, I don't want to risk this. No. Pass this on, pass. Okay. Okay, now this one is another one. Deep, you get it. What is common between Mohammad Amir and Imad Wasim, who both played this World Cup? They came back, Nick. Very good. Very good. You got 3? You go. Nice one. They both had retired, played Legends 11 and then came back. In this World Cup. Mind you, all questions are this World Cup. There's nothing before. Sandeep, what ICICI Bank, it's for a women question. What ICICI Bank has in common with jockey Kamla Pasand Mako Hint? Women. No. What ICICI Bank has in common with jockey Kamla Pasand Mako Hint? They are the sponsors of this World Cup, including the bank. Doc, you got 3? You got 3? You got 3? Okay, now we'll run through quickly. Now Falguni. What are these? Pin codes or phone numbers? 4, 10, 76, 24, 0, 37, 9. No, see my. Okay. Answer is these are the scores which Kohli made during the World Cup. Okay, girls question. A Maharashtrian boy, Dubey is for my best of the ability, is not Maharashtrian. Maharashtrian boy who grew up in Andheri. Wait for me to complete. A Maharashtrian boy who grew up in Andheri, shot to fame during this World Cup. Who is he? Amit. Oh, women. Sorry, Amit. Sorry. Who said Narvekar first, women? Now we'll give it to his wife because doctor took the hint. Okay, now this is the adult moment. Hardik Pandya took Klaasen, everybody know, caught by Rishabh Pant. Something happened before that. What? Cramp. Pant got the treatment. No, he said first. Pant was treated for knee stiffness and they broke the momentum, which is why India won. Klaasen had banged Akshar Patel for 24 runs. After that, they broke the momentum. Rohit Sharma said, bowl outside the off stump. Klaasen got it out. Cricket is mental. Rohit Sharma. Hat-trick, ball. Rohit Sharma hugged first. So we celebrate Harish Shani. He's got a hat-trick. Who scored the highest runs in T20? Now please. Highest runs the whole of T20. Afghanistan guy, Sachin, you got it right. Gulbaz something. You being a cricketer. Gulbaz, he got the highest. Gulbaz. Who took the highest wicket? Afghanistan guy, but he said that. Farooqi. Sohail. Farooq, Sohail. Please be mindful. Now, this is a question which is to be watched. Question ke pehle hi answer. Look at how Rohit dances. You got three? Okay, guys, see, listen in. Gautam Gambhir. Rajiv got it. Rajiv got it right. Look at the coincidence. This Kohli got the highest in final. 2007, Gautam Gambhir hit the same score, got 76. Now in that series, watch it. Dubey at number 6 played a cameo, 27. Who played in 2007 similar cameo? Rohit Sharma. Doc, correct. We are short of the cricket balls, we'll give it to you. Least experienced bowler Arshdeep took 2 wickets and bowled 12 dot balls. Who did exactly in 2007? Joginder Sharma, Arun. Joginder Sharma. Joginder Sharma, interesting guy, police inspector. Before cricket, he was police inspector. After cricket, he was dropped. He went back to being a police inspector. What was the batting order change India made in the final? Akshar Patel. Which bowler went for maximum runs in the finals? Akshar Patel. Doc. Again. Okay, now. Who's this today? This is for women, sorry. Rohit Sharma. Okay, next few questions for women only. And this, Pandya. She got it. This, call it, Falguni. And this, you get this, you get two. Only girls, yeah, please. Only girls. Arshdeep to Sardar hai bhai. Arey, women, somebody whispered, I could hear that. Okay, question goes back to quiz. I get the second chocolate. It is Ashwin. And this. Jadeja Nikhil. Nikhil. Oh, hey, women. She got it. I think Roxanne. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. 3. Okay, now all the guys who got 3 come in front. Shorter balls we'll send it to. We'll send it to. We never expected so many people to get. Okay, now guys, go that side. No, I have to ask the question. Oh no, now all of these guys are, listen in, all of these guys are quiz whiz. Now we have to find out who is the quiz whiz kid. And that will be the highest cricket quotient in the club. So we are now witnessing history. We are witnessing an unprecedented cricket passion, and these people will now face the super over. Now my only request is, please focus here. You made to this stage. Now you need to be you're in the knockout. So you will have, like a super over has six questions. No one will answer here unless these guys fail and you come out. Then we'll see how to handle that. So please don't answer, please focus. Please. Okay, now this is a slightly higher level of wisdom and intelligence. Only World Cup. There is nothing beyond World Cup. I didn't know cricket before World Cup, so all my questions are this. No ladies' questions. There are no ladies' question. It's only men question. Come on, guys. Your time starts now. Okay, all. What is common between this? If you get, I am going to reward you much higher level than this cricket ball and all that. This is a Farad question according to me. Hey, you can't please answer. Please answer. It is only for these 8 people. What is common between Dravid, Jayawardene, Darren Ganga, and Ashish Nehra? It's a very, very deep question. Only can be thought of by a lifetime consultant. Huh? Connects with, they are all cricketers, but connects with something beyond cricket. Yeah. Very observant question. Since these guys are not picking up the thread, anyone can pick. No. No, this again goes back to, to use the finance language, it devolves back on the quiz master. It's a very important, I was making the question to be honest, not that others aren't up there. I was thinking Farhad will crack this because he's generally the Greg, the Farhad is let us down. You think through, you have to be out of the box. You have to be out of the box. You have to think through. We had the answer at the in this session only. We had the answer in this session. Very close. You come out now, fucker, come out. What? You're not like a tennis fellow now. You come out and play. You fucker, come out now. You come very close. Very close, very, very close. But still not. Now. Okay, now you guys are failing. You guys are failing. Even my kids could not answer. You came the closest, but you can't get the mark. They all names feature. They're all names. Sorry, we go back. They're all names feature in our national anthem. Very deep. Jaya. In our Jaya, 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 Jaya. Hey. Ashish. Okay, none of them have cracked it. Okay, who is the only father? Wait, you guys wait. Please wait. You have to listen to the question. Who is the only father-son duo to have played Cricket World Cup? Indians they are. Please, you don't answer, guys. No, Mrudula, you're not answering. Binny. He said first. Falguni gets it. Sorry. So Falguni gets she scores 1 run in the super over. Not in the same World Cup. They played the World Cup. Not in the same World Cup. Stuart Binny played 2015. Any World Cup. No, that is okay. The Binny is the... No. This is Binny's... Okay, now focus. Longest innings... Now it is not on this World Cup. Got it. No, sorry, my mistake. Up to the super over, it was... I know, I said it is about World Cup. Now, the longest innings... So judge's decision is final. Okay, now guys, Falguni won, Dr. Ajay won. Okay, now you see, I said World Cup, not this World Cup, for super over. Okay. Now, now focus, which is the lone husband-wife duo who are playing? Sohail, Elisa Halley and Michael Starr. Husband and wife playing for Australia. They are not Indians. That question is Indians. Okay, now that goes to Sohail. 1-1-1. What is common between them? What is common? Very close. Shakibul Hasan and Rohit Sharma. Anyone from here? Okay, now the question. Okay, now the question devolves. No. Have another peg. You're still not in form. Okay, both have played in all T20 World Cups ever since it started. Both have played in all World Cups once over. Okay. Who followed Novak Djokovic footsteps in celebrating victory? Falguni. No, Falguni. No, Falguni. Falguni. My decision is final. Eat the grass. Eat the grass. No, eat the grass. Falguni first. No, Falguni said first. No. Farad, this is not tennis court to quarrel. This is quiz. In the tennis court. No. Okay, guys, celebration. Falguni is the cricket quotient of the year. Celebration. Now, where's that bottle? That bottle is there. Subramaniam has kept. Now, guys, sorry. Last 1 minute. Wait. So, the purpose was not to really question the wisdom. Purpose was to get the participation, get the energy of cricket. We have achieved that. But still, I would request Kusum to hand over the